Number 1. Chipmunks are named so because of the chip-chip sound they make, called chipping. They also make other sounds like chucking and trilling. Number 2. Chipmunks are omnivorous. Their diet can contain seeds, grains, berries, fruits, and mushrooms. They also feed on baby birds, bird eggs, frogs, and some insects as well. Number 3. The entrance of the burrows might look very small, but they can get as deep as 20 to 30 feet. Number 4. The chipmunks are solitary creatures, and they are very protective of their burrows. They get aggressive when someone tries to intrude into their habitat.